Welcome to your ultimate 2025 guide to affiliate marketing. Want to make passive income online? Cash flowing in while you sleep? You're in the right place. Affiliate marketing's a gold mine. People are pulling in thousands a month, but it's not a get-rich-quick gimmick. You need a plan, and in this video, I'm breaking down the exact steps to crush it, whether you're a total beginner or leveling up. Think $500, $1,000, even $10K months, all possible with the right moves. So grab a coffee and let's dive in. First up, pick a niche. This is your money-making foundation. A niche is your specialty, what you'll talk about, promote, and live in. Are you obsessed with personal finance, a tech geek, a fitness junkie? Pick something you love. Trust me, passion keeps you going when the grind hits. Why does this matter? If your site's a random mess, drones next to dog toys, visitors bounce fast. But imagine a laser-focused blog on, say, sustainable travel. Every post, every product screaming eco-warrior. That's sticky. Pro tip. Go narrow. Vegan desserts beats food. Less competition, tighter audience. Picture this. Your ideal reader lands, sees you get them, and stays. That's niche power. I will be making a video on affiliate niches, so subscribe to stay tuned. So you've chosen your niche. Awesome! Now it's time to find the right affiliate programs and products to promote. There are tons of affiliate networks out there, but some of my favorites include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, CJ Affiliate, and ClickBank. Each network has its own strengths and weaknesses, so it's worth exploring a few to find one that fits your niche and preferences. For example, Amazon Associates is great for beginners because it has a massive selection of products and it's relatively easy to get started. When evaluating affiliate programs, there are a few key things to keep in mind. First, look at the commission rate. This is the percentage of each sale you'll earn. Obviously, higher is better. Second, consider the cookie duration. This is how long the tracking cookie stays on a visitor's browser after they click your affiliate link. A longer cookie duration means you have a better chance of earning a commission, even if the visitor doesn't buy right away. Finally, don't forget to check out the reputation of the affiliate program and the products themselves. You don't want to promote something that's low quality or has a bad reputation. That's a surefire way to lose your audience's trust. Remember, finding the right affiliate programs and products is crucial for your success. Take your time, do your research, and choose products that you genuinely believe in and that will resonate with your audience. Now that you've got your niche and products sorted, it's time to build your online platform. This is where you'll be promoting your affiliate products and connecting with your audience. There are a few different routes you can take here. A blog is a great option because it gives you a platform to share your thoughts, ideas, and, of course, your affiliate links. Websites are another great option. You can create landing pages, product reviews, or even build an entire e-commerce store around your affiliate products. I already have a video on how to create professional websites. And don't forget about the power of social media. Platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok are amazing for connecting with your audience and driving traffic to your affiliate offers. The key is to choose a platform that you're comfortable with and that aligns with your niche and audience. No matter which platform you choose, remember to focus on creating high-quality content that provides value to your audience. Don't just blast them with sales pitches. Nobody likes that. Instead, focus on building relationships, providing valuable information, and becoming a trusted resource in your niche. Think about it. People are much more likely to buy from someone they know, like, and trust. So focus on building that trust with your audience by creating awesome content that helps them solve their problems and achieve their goals. Content is king, my friends, and that's especially true in the world of affiliate marketing. Creating high-quality, engaging content is absolutely essential for attracting and retaining your audience and ultimately driving those sweet affiliate sales. But what exactly does high-quality content look like? Well, for starters, it needs to be informative and valuable. Think about the problems your audience is facing and create content that helps them solve those problems. Don't be afraid to share your personal experiences, offer unique insights, and go the extra mile to provide value. How-to guides, tutorials, product reviews, and comparison articles are all great examples of content that provides value and can be easily monetized with affiliate links. Remember, your goal is to become a trusted resource in your niche. When people see you as an expert who consistently provides valuable information, they're much more likely to trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. And don't forget about the importance of engagement. Encourage your audience to comment on your posts, ask questions, and share their own experiences. The more engaged your audience is, the more likely they are to become loyal followers and customers. Okay, you've got your niche, your products, your platform, and your content. Now it's time to get some eyeballs on your offers. Driving traffic to your affiliate links is essential for generating clicks and ultimately making sales. There are a ton of different traffic strategies out there, but some of my favorites include search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, and paid advertising. SEO is all about optimizing your content to rank high in search engine results pages, SERPs. When people search for keywords related to your niche, you want your content to show up at the top of the results. This takes time and effort, but it's one of the most effective ways to drive sustainable, long-term traffic to your affiliate links. Social media marketing is another powerful way to reach your target audience. Create engaging profiles on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. Share valuable content and interact with your followers. The more active you are on social media, the more visibility you'll get, and the more traffic you'll drive to your affiliate links. If you're willing to spend some money, paid advertising can be a great way to get your affiliate links in front of a larger audience. Platforms like Google Ads and Facebook Ads allow you to target your ideal audience based on demographics, interests, and even online behavior. Remember, driving traffic to your affiliate links is an ongoing process. You need to be constantly creating new content, promoting your links, and testing different strategies to see what works best for your niche and audience. Thank you for watching our step-by-step guide to affiliate marketing. I hope you found it valuable and feel equipped to start building your own successful affiliate marketing business. Remember, the key to success in affiliate marketing is to choose a niche you're passionate about, find great products, create high-quality content, and drive traffic to your offers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. We're constantly putting out new videos to help you grow your online business and achieve your financial goals. Good luck on your affiliate marketing journey. Remember, consistency is key, so keep learning, keep growing, and never give up on your dream.